Welcome to Cornerstone Bank Online Banking. If you're an Athol Savings Bank customer logging in for the first time, follow these simple steps to get started. Go to cornerstonebank.com and click Login in the upper right corner, then click the Login button. Enter the same user ID that you used for your ASB account. Then, enter your first login password. For consumer users, that will be the last 6 digits of your social security number and your full 8-digit date of birth. For business users, your first login password will be the full 9-digit EIN of your business and the zip code of your business's primary address. Click Login. You will be prompted to change your password. Remember, your password is your confidential code for accessing your account information and should not be shared with anyone. Enter your new password. Your new password must be between 8 and 32 characters and can include lowercase letters, uppercase letters, digits, and symbols. Then, confirm your new password. Click Update. A pop-up will indicate that your password has been successfully updated. Next, review the online banking agreement. Then, click I agree. Next, verify that your contact information is accurate. If changes are needed, make the changes, and then click Update. If no changes are needed, click No Changes. Next, a pop-up will prompt you to enable multi-factor authentication. This makes your online banking more secure. Click Continue to enroll, skip to enroll at a later time, or stop asking. We recommend that you enroll. After clicking Continue, a screen will provide you with details about multi-factor authentication. Click the checkbox to enable multi-factor authentication at Login. Then click Update. A pop-up will prompt you to confirm your enrollment. Click Confirm. Next, a pop-up will indicate that you have successfully set multi-factor authentication preferences. While you're logged in, we'd like to point out some helpful menu items to get started with Cornerstone Bank Online and mobile banking. Please note, if you are a business customer, you will not see all of the menu items we are about to review. Click the Person menu in the top right corner, then select Banking Services. Here you will find beneficial features like Manage My Alerts, e-documents, and travel notifications. If you navigate back to the main menu, you will find beneficial features like Transfers, Pay My Bills, Credit Score, Manage My Money, MX, and You Choose Rewards. To learn more about these features, visit our other how-to videos.